Do you want to be the first millionaire in your family? Let me give you 5 tips on how I became the first millionaire in my family of Troy. Rule number 1, stop sharing your big dreams to people who can't dream bigger than you. Would you take a dieting advice from someone who's obese? Probably not. Then why are you taking financial advice from family, friends, and parents who are not millionaires? Rule number 2, you need to stop working hard for money. Instead, you need to let your money work hard for you. Warren Buffett said, if you can't find a way to make money in your sleep, you're gonna have to work until you die. Rule number 3, give up to go up in life. In the first 5 years of building my Airbnb business from scratch, I gave up drinking, partying, Netflix, hanging out with negative friends and toxic people, and most importantly, thinking small. Ask yourself, what are you willing to give up to go up in life? Rule number 4, become a contrarian. Do the unexpected. Do the things that most people won't do to have the things that most people can't have. If you always follow the crowd, you will never be able to go further than the crowd. The ones who walk alone are usually the ones who find themselves in places that no one has ever been to. Rule number 5. This is probably the most important one. You have to stop thinking small. The size of your success equates to how big you can dream. Follow for part 2.